Suppose your man say you want to take all the maps and lick you in the back. You say yes no?
Fuck you. You look at you. You turn them back. So what about? So, you believe in my back. So, it's so weird. I heard you hurt me. My you, just go. Me, doctor, lawyer, scientist, and teacher. And me can't even read neither.
How will you say name?
Ageable.
Okay.
What's the record? Woman. Guess what? The woman. Them. You think that bomb clot easy, brother? It been not easy, you know.
So
Yeah.
let me ask you something. I always hear them talk the same say, happy wife, happy life. And my interpretation of it is that they must say from you make the woman happy. That's all that matter. Me even talk to some older Canadian man. And them say if you want to have a long lasting relationship with a woman,
Everything
be a
say
yes man. Everything.
What do you think about that?
You say yes.
Well, I know.
Balance up that for me.
You can't say yes unless you do.
What do you
Yes,
mean?
yes, not enough. Whatever you say yes to, you have to do it. That's when they get happy. Not say, John, they can't get to a coconut, yes. You have to carry the coconut. John, why? When you lick me head and you lick me foot and you lick me finger, you lick me toe, you lick me right down, you say yes, you have to do it. John, me want you will leave paycheck, yes. You can't say yes unless you do.
So Ageable is a yes man?
When it's necessary.
Yeah?
Yeah, me will say yes, but me not gonna say yes unless me know how the bottom line go work.
Suppose your man say you want to take all the maps and lick you in the back. You say yes no?
Fuck you. You look at you. You turn them back. So what about? So, you believe in my back. So, it's so weird. I heard you hurt me. No. If you want to lick, you can add a different gap. People lick, you know.
So
People lick, you know.
So the happy wife, happy life thing.
We want to know about it.
Tell me about that. What do you think?
Okay. Let me show you something. If you want a woman to be happy, you first have to be happy to him.
Praise the Lord, brother.
Same so.
So me see it.
Come on. Oh, you're going to make me happy and you're sad. The fuck myself.
That's
that
right.
balance.
You have to be happy.
If only the woman happy, and you not happy,
It can't work.
a selfishness that.
A lot of places me
Not
go.
even selfish, but beside sell all shark too. Some of them are sell all shark, but them are selfish. Some of them are sell all, how you gonna make a person happy and you sad?
Me
You have
can't
to
see
be-
through that.
It can't
A lot
work.
of places me go and go work, a beer that go on.
You see
my
what I
time, so my time here all human. So John, go one side.
Yes, in a relationship, you think about a man a rule a woman or a woman a rule a man.
That means the foundation is solid. You know why? You see, obstacle go on in a relationship. A wrong woman the man get, or a wrong man the woman get.
I think so.
So is there a right woman or a right
Yes.
man?
Yes, man. You know, say every man have the real partner in this world just to find the one.
Hard to find.
Well, I know, we don't agree on the same thing. We don't got the same gambling house. You don't want to go war and you want to go around, come back and love each other same way. One not different from the other. Same shit.
Hard to find though.
Well, I know. That's why you see some of them living at the mansion, little one in the sky, and still not on a peace.
Yeah.
They're not compatible, bro. Man a rule woman because he might bring in a little bit of money. Woman a rule man because she a control the money.
So,
And it's just hard to really think about it. But the fact is, if two people you meet them right individual partner. Oh, Lamb of Calvary. No wonder we hear some of them live married and live for 75 years and never pull up.
Yeah.
true one.
The right one. That one there is like a lotto. It's like you know you buy a,
Win.
you win that you win. You just buy a number and you win. I know everybody get that, you know.
Then you have a woman then and she want to know your whereabouts at all time. You consider that ruling? Like where you come from, where you go?
Let me tell you how I feel about that. No, I wouldn't consider that ruling. I will tell you what is my whereabout. Is she gonna believe? Or she not gonna believe? Because if she did see me, she wouldn't have to ask. Where you was? Me say me did run and me say I was John Yard. Me no believe. Come now. Moment me ask you. No answer no good. If you tell her say you depend Jane and crave the hug. You know say lie that you wouldn't tell me that. You wouldn't tell me so straight.
And maybe you did it crave.
They no hit you and me I tell you about. You tell her the truth. She said
She not believe that one day.
you know, I don't believe that because you wouldn't come out so clear and tell me, hey, they don't believe no. So you are. Let me tell you hard and something. Any boy or any girl, whatever you look for, if you know good, you look for. You look for you. You look for you know what, brother? Tell me now. That's why you see me now. You see a woman. I bet you every woman would love me. Because me no want to know where she a go. And me no want to know which part she a come from.
You know business.
Me and her live. You not like this you me and her live. I can't tell me lie about her. And I lie. Let me tell you how it go between me and a woman.